Yeah, Kip 4 and K4.
Slide over. Yep, right where the clear sky is.
It's going directly over your place, Dad.
Going right over our house. I don't know if it, yeah, they can take a picture.
Look at it hanging way down below there. See that rotation about a couple of 100 feet lower?
Headed straight north.
Oh, it's dropping again.
Yeah, it's dropping again. Yeah, it could move over there. It's moving to the east, but it's not very much to the east. Ooh, that really dropped.
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
Yeah. Wow. No. This is just, that's kind of spooky.
Look at that now.
Yeah.
Get that on there.
Yeah, it's showing up pretty good.
Send that into the television station.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully it don't hit your place, Dad.
See the black going down it?
Yeah.